Hello friends, my name is Rakesh Patil. I done my BE in Mechanical Engineering from North Maharashtra University, and today's date is 3 December, and today's topic is method. Method in Java. In general, a method is a way to perform some tasks. Similarly, the method in Java is collection of instruction that perform a specific task. It provides the reusability of code. We can also easily modify code using method. In this section, we will learn what is the method in Java, type of method declaration, and how to call a method in Java. What is the method in Java? A method in Java is a block or code collection statement or set of group of together perform a certain task or operation. It is used achieve the reusability of code. We write the method once and use many times. We do not require code again. It's provide easy modification, readability code, just adding and removing chunk of code. The method execution only when call or invoke the code method declaration. Access specifier. Access specifier is a modifier, the access type that method is usually used. Java provides four types of access specifier. Public method is a accessible by classes when you use public specifier application. Private method. When we use private access specifier method, it is access only in a class which is defined as protected when the protected access specifier is the method access within the same package or subclasses in a different packages. Default when we not use anything specifier method declaration. Java default has a use specifier by default. It is usually from the same package only. Method declaration provides information about method attribute such as visibility, return type, name, and arguments. It has at known method header types, return type, data type, and the method return. It is maybe primitive data type and collective void. The method does not return anything. We use void keyword. Method name. It is a unique name that is used to define the name of method. It is must be corresponding and functionality of the method. Suppose we are creating a method of subtract of two numbers. The method must be subtraction and the method invoked by the name. Parameter list. It is the list of parameters separated by the comma enclosure by the pair of parentheses. It is contained the data type and variables name as method has parameter left parenthesis blank. Method body. It is a part of method declaration. It contains all the actions to be performed. It enclosed within the pair and curly braces. Thank you for watching.